Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we have for you a delivery mileage 2022 on a 22 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi short wheelbase. This is the top of the range model. It is the Highline 204 PS bi-turbo with the DSG gearbox and 4Motion drivetrains, four-wheel drive vehicle. Huge factory spec. This one's got the LVR kit on it too. So you can see totally remodeled front bumper there with the gloss black pack and the gloss 4Motion badge too. It's got the factory LED lights. Expensive upgrade, make a huge difference to your vision on the road at night. 20-inch gloss black VLR 07 alloy wheels with the Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres. One of the best tyres in the wet weather, that. 30mm lowering springs. It's got sidebars and roof rails too. We've gloss blacked the side transporter badge and smoked the indicator lens as always. And this one has the full gloss black caps and surrounds. Now this one has also got the sport seat upgrade. So this is a fully formed backrest, no separate headrest on it at all, with a chevron design. Super looking seat, very comfortable to sit into. This one, as you can see, has got the electric sliding doors both sides, park assist, which is effectively self-park, but also gives you side sensors for as you're manoeuvring the vehicle yourself. Air conditioning, Discover Media Nav with a wireless app connect. So you can connect and use your Google Maps wirelessly on the screen of the vehicle, as opposed to having to connect it. Heated front seats too. Moving into the second row, you've got a 2+1 seating system. So this just levers up nice and easy to allow you access into the rear if you need it from the sides. Fully carpet lined throughout with a suede lining on the ceiling. This one's got 4 LED downlighters in the ceiling, all operated by this small rocker switch just here. Now the reason we put it here is so you can reach it from inside the sliding door or from the tailgate. And the tailgate also has 2 additional downlighters, which are perfect when you're loading items at night or in the dark. Got the high level spoiler and smoke lenses on the rear too. Again, LVR rear bumper on this one, so totally different bumper with dual exhaust ports on it. Really transforms the look of this vehicle from the back. Huge amount of space in these Kombis, super practical. This has, of course, got the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector that we put on all our vehicles. Just stop you scratching the bumper when you load stuff in. And this one does have a reversing camera too. One further enhancement that we've added is this lovely carbon leather steering wheel. Just really feels so much nicer than the original. Looks better too. Adaptive cruise control on this one, which is standard on a Highline, so that speeds up and slows down with the traffic in front when you set that. This one also has Diff Lock, a rare option on a four-wheel drive. Again, Diff Lock is just to allow you to get further traction if you're on an unstable surface, say a wet field, gravel, sand, etc. It'll lock all 4 wheels up so that you've got a better chance of getting out of where you are. Power folding mirrors too completes the spec on this. Rare to find with this kind of spec, and you're looking at a year if you do a factory order. Plus you have to accept whatever the price rises are in the interim if you do order one from factory. So a great opportunity to get into this desirable vehicle right now at today's prices. Now, we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can offer finance facilities, and part exchanges are welcome too. So if you like the look of the vehicle, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.